Hello everyone and welcome to another EJ guitar lesson. Today we're going to have a look at the wonderful groovy song that is Molly's Lips. Now this song was originally by the Vaselines but was later covered by Nirvana. Both versions are great, but let's start by looking at the Nirvana version because this is a nice easy version for beginners. Now let's have a close look at how to play this great song. So for the Nirvana version we're going to go, she said she'd take me anyway, she'd take me every way, as long as she stays with me. So that's what we're after. Now let's have a close look at how we play that. So first of all we start with a regular open G major chord. And we strum that twice, so we strum that for 2 beats. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. And then after we've strummed G for 2, we then move to a C major, just a regular open C major, and we strum that for 2. So this time we're going to go 3, 4. So together we have G for 2, 1, 2, and then C for 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, C, C, G, G, C, C. She said she'd take me anyway, she'd take me every way, as long as she stays with me. And that just continues throughout the whole verse and all the other verses, and it even continues throughout the chorus, which is kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips. So that's it for the Nirvana version, nice and easy. So just to go over the chords again, so it's G major for 2 beat strums, 1, 2 for 2 beats, and then C major for 2 strums, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G, C, C, G, G, C, C. So G major for 2, C major for 2, G, G, C, C. So, nice and straightforward, just using all downstrokes there. So start off slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then gradually build it up to the Nirvana speed of she said she'd take me anyway, she'd take me every way, as long as she stayed with me, which is, as you can see, quite fast. In fact, it's probably slightly faster than that. It's probably, she said she'd take me anyway, she'd take me every way, as long as she stayed with me. So it's quite fast and punky and grungy sounding, which is awesome. But now we have that one out of the way. That's a great one for beginners. Let's have a look at how to play the slightly harder, but still pretty easy original Vaselines version. Now, first of all, this version is considerably slower, but it does feature 4 chords instead of just the 2 chords. So, let's first of all start with the verse. Now, the verse just features 2 chords, and that's E major, regular open E major, and then a regular open B7 chord. Now, it does the same as the Nirvana version. It goes E major for 2 strums, 1, 2, and then B7 for 2 strums, 3, 4. So we have E for 2, B7 for 2, E, E, B7, E, E, B7, B7, E, E, B7, B7. She said she'd take me anyway, she'd take me every way, as long as she stayed with me. So as you can see, same again, 2 downstrokes on E major and 2 on B7. All we're doing is changing it from a G and a C to an E major and a B7. So that's for the verses. Now let's have a look at the chorus. The chorus for the Vaselines version goes kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips. So as you can see, we're adding in an extra chord. So we're adding in an open A major, just a regular open A major chord. Now to play the chorus we do 2 strums of E major and then 2 strums, you can play all down strums of A major and then 2 of B7 and then back to 2 of E major. So we're going E for 2, 1, 2, A for 2, 3, 4, B7 for 2, 1, 2, and then E major for 2, 3, 4. So it's kiss, kiss Molly's lips. And it does that 4 times all together for each chorus. So it goes kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips, kiss, kiss Molly's lips. Yeah, so there we have it. I'm not sure if that was 3 or 4, but you get the idea. So 4 times of that for the chorus, and then the verse, which was just E for 2 and B7 for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just shuffling back between the 2 chords of E major and B7. Now there's one other section, I suppose you could call it the instrumental middle 8 section, which comes in after the second chorus, and it starts on an A major chord, and we do the A major chord for 2 bars, the strumming down strokes. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to E major for 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A major for 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do a split bar of D to A major, just a regular open D major. So we're going to go 2 strums of D, 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 2 strums of A major, A, and then a full bar of E major, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go through that middle section again. So it starts off with 2 bars of A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 bars of E major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 2 bars of A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 strums of D, 2 strums of A. So it's D, D, A, and then 4 strums of E major, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more time, so it's A for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E major for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A major for 2 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D for 2, A for 2, E major for 4. So I'll play that through, right through without any interruptions this time. So this is the middle 8 in its entirety. We have, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, D, A, E. So there we have it, that's the middle 8 section there. And then after the middle 8 section, it goes right back into the verse 3. So it goes back to the E, B7, E, B7, B7, E, B7, B7. Oh, it's hard saying B7 twice fast. So that's all the sections. You've got the verse, which is E, B7, B7, just repeated throughout the verse. And then the chorus, which is E, A, B7, E, B7, E. So 2 strums of everything. 2 strums of E major, 1, 2. 2 strums of A major, 3, 4. 2 strums of B major. Sorry, not B major, B7. 1, 2, and then back to 2 strums of E major, 3, 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, E, A, B7, B7, E, E. And that's repeated 4 times for each chorus. And then one more time over the middle section. So we start with 2 bars of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bars of E major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 bars of A major again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 strums of D and 2 strums of A, D, D, A. Then 4 more strums of E major, 1, 2, well, 3, that's 4. It for today's lesson. I hope you've enjoyed playing through Molly's Lips. Now, if you've enjoyed this lesson, please leave a wee like or a comment below. If you've really enjoyed this lesson, then please feel free to subscribe to this channel for more lessons like this one. Well, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon.